Okay, sorry about this guys, but the battery life ran out of my camera. So what I've got here today is it's a fanlight window. The hinges are gone, the window isn't shutting properly, so I'm having to obviously take the window out and replace the friction stays. But yeah, sit back and enjoy. Okay, so there we go. This is the window out. Should have probably really put two suckers on there, would have made it much easier to hold. But I got there in the end. So now it's a case of putting the window on the side and changing the friction stays. Okay, so now put the friction stays on. It's time to put the window back in its opening. Just line up the stays on the side there, make it a bit easier once I get it in, to try and get them to hook into place while it's out. A little bit tricky sometimes, but I'll get there. Okay, here goes number attempt 2. Now I'm being clever. Let's move the blind higher. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to go and put it back in, and then have like a little epiphany moment as I get it in. And I go, you know what? Get ready for it. Yep, not there yet. Yep, I'm thinking. Don't know what I'm doing there. And then I think to myself, okay, let's try something different. Just want to make my life a little bit easier. So how do you think I'm going to make my life easier? Yeah, I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to put the other sucker on it to make it easy to lift. There we go. Where'd I put it? I put it over there. Right, get this on, and then let's see what we can do from there. Okay, now I've got the window in, the hinge is screwed up. I'm just testing it closing and realise that actually it's not quite lining up right. So I'm thinking to myself, what should I do? So I thought, you know what, if I go on the outside I might be able to get to the screws on the sides and just slide the window up slightly, because the window is slightly down. So give me 2 seconds. There we go. Right, him outside, and I'm going to give it a try. To be honest with you, this is a fail. It doesn't work. I have to go back inside and take the window out again because it was so tight. So you can see with the screws, I'm trying to do that one and that one.
This one.
And just slide the window up.
Push this up
Towards the end, just lift it slightly. But yeah, it didn't work. But hey ho, it's the process. Now I'm back inside again. Take the window out and then adjust the friction stays again. So yep, let's speed it up. Guess what? All done, suckers off, and I'll just demo it now. How nice and smooth this window's working. Check it out.
Good.